Many don't realize how super this fruit actually is.
That's right, I'm talking about prunes, the feel-good fruit.
Yes, a lot of people also don't realize that prunes are in fact plums dried.
A lot of you know I've worked with Sunsweet before to create some cool, healthy recipes, and today we've teamed up to share the Sunsweet difference, so you know what makes Sunsweet prunes so sweet, literally. Prunes specifically are incredible for so many reasons. Their nutrient properties make them an extremely filling, versatile, nutritious snack, and one of their surprising benefits is bone health.
Prunes contain many different nutrients that help to keep bones strong, including potassium, magnesium, and vitamin K. Potassium helps to increase bone mineral density and decrease bone breakdown. Magnesium is important for bone structure, and vitamin K plays a role in bone building. According to research studies, 5 to 6 prunes per day may help prevent bone loss. In one study where people ate 10 to 12 prunes per day, they actually saw an increase in bone formation in our bodies. Prunes contain polyphenols. Polyphenols are micronutrients that we get through certain plant-based foods. They're packed with antioxidants and potential health benefits. Prunes are also a good source of fiber. Just 4 to 5 prunes contain 12% of the daily recommended amount.
That fiber can help you feel full longer, may help to lower your cholesterol and risk of heart disease, as well as help with digestion.
Now, all prunes are plums, but not all plums are prunes. Prunes are made from a special type of plum with a higher natural sugar content, which allows them to be dried without fermenting. The great thing about prunes is that their sugar content is all natural, and compared to other dried fruits, prunes are lower overall in sugar. They're low on the glycemic index rating, meaning they're going to affect blood sugar less.
Sunsweet Amazin' Prunes value quality over anything. Not only is Sunsweet owned by growers right here in California, but they also have a special pitting process that doesn't damage the fruit and preserves the tastiest part that's close to the pit.
I decided to try a Sunsweet Amazin' Prune and a generic brand to compare. Just look at the difference. The generic alternative was significantly smaller and felt much firmer to the touch. Sunsweet's is so plump with a nice, consistent, round button shape that wasn't smashed or damaged looking. That's what makes it an amazing prune. The taste difference is insane. The generic brand was lacking in flavor, but it also tasted dry and a bit sour. Sunsweet's was sweet, moist, and juicy, and there were no bitter tones at all. That's because they use larger plums to dry into prunes and retain that juicy, flavorful center. Of course, you can enjoy prunes as a daily energy-boosting snack or pre-workout option, but there are tons of other ways to use prunes too. They can be blended into smoothies or shakes as a sugar substitute. They can be chopped up and added to hot or cold cereal, used as a salad topper, or even baked into cookies. And when pureed, they make a great fat substitute in baked goods. Prunes are truly incredible, so if you aren't eating this feel-good fruit, grab yourself some Sunsweet Amazin' Prunes now.